Welcome to Vietlingo, learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. My name is Thanh Huyền. I'm a Vietnamese teacher at Vietlingo. Today we're learning Northern Vietnamese. How do you tell someone that an action is happening again? In Vietnamese, we have two small but mighty words for repetition, Lại and Nữa, which both means again or more. Their placement and specific meaning are different, and using the wrong one can sound unnatural. Don't worry, today we clarify the distinct roles of Lại, repetition, and Nữa additionally or further, so you can express repetition and addition accurately and naturally. Let's watch a conversation between two friends, Minh and An, at a restaurant.
Cậu lại gọi món này à? Cậu thích ăn món này lắm nhỉ? Hôm qua tớ ăn rồi, hôm nay muốn ăn lại nữa. Vậy à? Hay gọi thêm một món nữa đi, cho đỡ ngán. Thôi, tớ không ăn nổi nữa đâu, no lắm rồi.
See how Lại describe it repeating the same action, while Nữa refer it to adding more quantity. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently choose between Lại to repeat an action and Nữa to add something or for further repetition. This will instantly make your Vietnamese much more precise. Let's break down the function of these words. Think of Lại as redo and Nữa as in addition. Okay, grammar point 1. Lại, the repetition marker. Again, redo. Lại is an adverb placed before the verb to indicate that the action is being repeated. It means again, redo, or a second time. Marks the repetition of an action. The structures we have is subject plus lại plus verb or predicate. For example, tôi quên mang ví nên tôi phải quay lại nhà. I forgot my wallet, so I have to go back home. Or second example, doing something again. Chúng ta xem lại bộ phim này nhé. Let's watch this movie again. Third example, anh ấy lại đến muộn. He's late again. Grammar point 2. Nữa, the addition, further marker. More, also, still. Nữa is typically placed at the end of a clause or after a noun, verb to express addition, continuation, or a request for more quantity. The structure is noun plus nữa or verb plus nữa. For example, cho tôi một cốc cà phê nữa. Give me one more cup of coffee. Another example, anh ấy vẫn còn muốn ăn nữa. He still wants to eat. Another function is further repetition, placed at the end of a question or statement. Anh đừng làm thế nữa. Don't do that anymore. Okay, let's see what you have learned. Time for a little practice. The first activity is choose the right word. Choose the best word to fit the context. Lại or nữa. 1. Anh ấy quên chìa khóa rồi. 2. Tôi muốn mua thêm 2 cái áo. 3. Cậu có muốn thử món ăn này một lần không? 4. Mẹ tôi bảo tôi về nhà ăn cơm. Okay, activity 2. Quick translation. How would you say this in Northern Vietnamese? 1. Please check the report again. 2. I don't have any more money. 3. Are you going to travel again next year? Great job, everyone. Your sense of repetition is now perfect. So, let's recap. Lại, used before verb, used for action repetition. Nữa, after noun, verb, or end of clause, used for addition, continuation, or more quantity. Practice this with your friends or teacher today by asking if they want anything. You'll sound incredibly natural in no time. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a like Share it with your friends and subscribe for more Vietnamese lessons from Vietlingo. We love to have you in our community. Thank you for watching. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.